I'm Krista West of Avlea Folk Embroidery, and in this short video, I want to show you how to do the loop start method for counted cross stitch. You're going to start by taking your DMC floss, which is twice as long as you want it, and you're going to pull out a single strand. You can do it like this. DMC is actually designed to have you be able to pull out a single strand at a time like this. You will then take that strand, once you have it all pulled out, and you will find the two ends like this, put them together, and you will thread your needle with those. So I'm going to take my needle and I'm threading them with the cut ends through the needle. I will now draw this through and I will leave the looped end as my longer tail, like this. The looped end is my tail. Now to start an embroidery, the way we'll do that is we'll go in from the front. This is different than the tail method which starts on the back. So this one you're going in from the front like this, and you are pulling the thread through until you have about this much of the loop here. Then you're going to go ahead and start your stitch, coming up from back to front, and you're going to pull until you just have that loop like that there on your fabric. Now you're going to take your needle through the loop like this. Pull it through, and what that'll do is it'll pull it through kind of snug, but you'll notice you have that little loop is sitting on the top of your fabric and you don't want it there. So what you'll do is you'll put your needle back in that hole where the loop just came out of, and you are going to pull it to the back and just gently pull it until that little loop pops through to the other side. You can also kind of like get on the back and you can wiggle it a little bit if you need to get it started. I really love this method because it is so secure. It's really great and you don't have any tails you have to hold down. You can just get right to stitching and then you just proceed to keep stitching and it will just hold your floss very securely.